Today you're going to be working on ordering numbers on a number line from least to greatest and greatest to least. First, we're going to start with ordering the numbers from least to greatest. So my three numbers that I have are 102, 98, and 95. If I look at my number line up here, I see that it starts with the number 93. So when I look at my three numbers down here, I know that the next number closest to 93 is 95. After 95, the next biggest number is 98. And then my greatest number is 102. I've ordered the numbers from least to greatest, starting with 93, 95, 98, and then 102. Let's look at another one. This time I'm going to order the numbers from greatest to least. My numbers are 120, 101, and 110. If I look at these numbers, I know that 120 is my greatest number because it has a 2 in the tens place. This number has a 0, and this number has a 1. 2 is greater than both of these numbers, so it will go first. When I look at the next two numbers, I know that 0 is less than 1, so then 110 would be my next number. So then last would be 101. So I've ordered these numbers from greatest to least, 120, 110, 101.